these JavaScript or Python programmers are just doing this kind of lightweight thing. It doesn't even really count as coding. And of course, the answer is yes, it very much counted. And now most coding is done with the scripting languages, right? Which have, you see my point. The scripting languages have abstracted away like 5 layers of detail underneath that people used to do by hand and they don't anymore. And then to your point, like AI coding is the next layer on that. AI coding actually abstracts away the process of actually writing the scripting code, right? And so in one sense, this is a really big deal for all the obvious reasons. But on the other hand, it's like, okay, this is the next layer of the task redefinition under the job of programmer, right? Now, what's the job of the programmer? It's, to your point, it's not necessarily to write the code by hand, but what it is now is, all right, now, if you talk to the world's best programmers today, what they'll tell you is, oh, my job is I'm sitting there and I'm orchestrating 10 code bots, right? Coding bots that are running in parallel, right? And literally they sit there and they shift from browser to browser or terminal to terminal. And their day job now is kind of arguing with the AI bots to try to get them to like write the right code, right? And then debug it and fix the problems and change the spec and do all these things. And so now the job of the programmer is to argue with the coding bots. But like, if you don't know how to write the code yourself, you don't know how to evaluate what the coding bots are giving you.